So today is the week. What's going on, guys? Welcome back again with another new video. As you can see, I've been a little bit bloated, but अभी जैसे कि prep चालू हो गया off season. I've been sleeping a lot. I would be very honest to you, but I'm not. I'm still. The calories has been coming up, but not too much. Just eating like 1,000 calories more according to my maintenance phase, जो कि 2,500 calorie था, but now we are eating like I think 3,500, something like that. But I've been just sleeping a lot, I would say. Back with our training, just a minute about that. So today we'll be doing. Today we'll be probably doing the chest workout again. जो पिछला video था, we did the push session, which was chest, shoulders and triceps. Sorry, chest and triceps was there. But ये जो session है, again उसके बाद मैंने back train किया again. अभी जो schedule है, it is 2 days on, 1 day off, 2 days on, 1 day off, and then we'll see how that goes. But recovery is way more important. But as of now, so today, Monday we did chest and then we did back. And then again we took off, and now today will be again a chest session, but prioritizing more of the shoulders. So 2 exercises will be mostly leg 2 because I don't want to push too much because Monday or wapas it will be chest, so we need to make sure that your recovery is way better. So mostly we'll do a press movement and then 1 flies, and then we'll be sticking to like 2 to 3 good heavy movements of shoulder and then 1 or 2 tricep movements. But that being said, so we'll start with our pre-workout as usual. Carnage on the go. So we'll be taking 1.5 scoop. Chest session here. Post session, you know that how hard it is for me to grow. So look, बोलते रहते कि आप chest करो. Of course, I know that is a big weakness. तो जब तक ये बढ़ेगा नहीं तब तक तो हम खेलने नहीं वाले. So I think from yesterday, if you ask me how much I slept, and I think I slept yesterday night 7 good hours, and then uske baad had my breakfast. I slept for 2 hours again. Uske baad I had my pre-workout meal that was chicken and rice, and again I slept for like 1 good hour. So I am sleeping a lot. So Carnage, it gives me complete focus. And the flavor which I use is Sex on the Beach. Complete focus throughout the workout. It doesn't dip down. But वही है कि मैं 2-2.5 घंटे के लिए workout नहीं करता हूँ. अगर आपका intention है कि you want to train for like 2 hours, then don't take this one. But अगर आप 2 घंटे के लिए train कर रहे हो, that means you are doing something wrong also. It's not going to help you with any benefits. So that being said, you can यहाँ पर trust sleep भी दिया गया है. If you need any sort of problem कि कितना caffeine है, कितना all of those ingredients जो भी mention किया है सही है नहीं है, so you can put your camera over here, trust seal है, swipe up and go and check also on the website कि क्या actual इन्होंने दिया गया है. And also you can use my code BMG to get some discount. That will be helpful, I believe. So yeah, make sure that you drink on cold water. Trust me. I know if you're sick, then don't do it, but it's worth. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back in the gym. So we'll be doing some chest today, warming up. पिछले बार मैंने माइक लगाया था, but वो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ. मैंने जो 2 एंड होता है वायर का, मैंने उल्टा लगा दिया. So everything went mute, so I couldn't shoot anything. हर वीडियो में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और बेवकूफ़ जैसे आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा था. एंड आई एम सो डम दैट कि मैंने ये सब चीज़ें चेक नहीं किया बिकॉज आई एम लॉस्ट इन माई वर्कआउट. So that's what happens when I am working out. I'm in the zone. और so मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि yesterday on comment section पे like how do you stay disciplined? So इसी के साथ में we'll start the workout video. So I'm not disciplined, okay? मैं ये नहीं बताऊँगा कि मैं disciplined हूँ, मैं हर चीज़ टाइम पे करता हूँ, ये सब चीज़ें. मेरा डिसिप्लिन वाला जो चीज़ था वो 10 साल पहले चालू हो गया, ठीक है? डिसिप्लिन होकर there is a level called madness, obsession,
पागलपन, ये सब चीज़ें। सो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि डिसिप्लिन से काम चलेगा टू बी अ वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट या टू बिकम द बेस्ट एथलीट इन द वर्ल्ड और टू मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इन दिस स्पोर्ट or just be, if you want to become extraordinary, so you have to do ordinary cheezein extra, right? You can't be just a normal person and do extraordinary stuff. It doesn't work like that. You have to have that ordinary lifestyle and do extra. That's how it is. So लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि you are disciplined. मैं disciplined नहीं हूँ यार. Discipline सब हो गया, ज़माना हो गया. Because now, if you want to achieve something, a greatness, yeah. अगर एक शो में मैं, even though I know, आपको पता है कि मैं expectation कुछ रखा नहीं था इस शो में. And after the show, if I'm not coming good, या मुझे उसके हिसाब से मुझे result नहीं मिला है. So what do you think? Of course, as an athlete, I want to win. I kind of lost the game. But even if I lost the game also, you have to make sure that you come in each show way better. If you're not coming every single show better, what is the point? For me, if I'm not doing good in any of the show, that means I have lost it. And now, discipline se kaam chalega. You might think that it might work, but it doesn't work like that because discipline can just take you one step ahead. Yeah, consistency. People say that you have to be like consistent with your work. You have to be disciplined with your work. Fuck that shit, bro. You have to be obsessed. You have to be mad. You have to be like, you have to have that extra push every single day because मुझे लगता है कि discipline भी या motivation भी दिन में एक गाना आप सुन लो भाग मिल्खा भाग वाला या कुछ तुम अच्छा मूवी देख लो मिल्खा सिंह हो गया या जो भी मोटिवेशन वाले मूवी तुम देख लो तुम 10 मिनट 15 मिनट के लिए तुम मोटिवेटेड हो जाओगे उसके बाद क्या इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू बिकॉज मेरे आज मुझे वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं था. There are times when I'm on prep, when I'm eating like, 100 grams of carbs or 20 grams of carbs, I don't feel like working out. What do I do? Because I need that win. I need to bring my best package on my stage. So I bring that, whatever look I can bring, I bring that. And that's called obsession. If you don't have that obsession, there's no point. There's no point in doing anything. I'm not saying that if you're starting your game, you will be obsessed like everybody else or the people who wanted to target that. But you can always have that start, being disciplined and motivated, and then eventually you will get that obsession. So for me, it is what it is. That's how I do. That's how I work. That's how I do the things. So for me, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि I'm a little hard on myself. It works for me. It might not work for you, but that being said, I'm on the groove, bro. मैं नहीं रुकने वाला हूँ और मैं पहले रुका था ना मैं 10 साल पहले भी रुका था या 5 साल पहले भी रुका था. I'm on the groove, bro. I know what is my game. मुझे पता है कि मेरा काबिलियत क्या है और मुझे ज़्यादा बात करने का शौक नहीं है. But that being said, wolf is on a hunt and the wolf is always still hungry. So let's start the workout. Targeting all the incline, from decline all over to the chest. So, if you ask me one exercise for the chest, I would always prefer decline twist because it covers my entire chest from lower to the floor. And if you have a machine or your pass है, make sure that you do this exercise. It's a spot on. That's why whenever he used to eat, he has to eat like double the food, double times. For me also it's like I have to eat a lot of food. If I don't eat food, I can't grow. Even on my competition time, I eat like a lot of food. Even on my low carbohydrates day also, I eat minimum 120, 150 grams of carbs, even on low day. On my higher day, this prep, when I was doing carb loading, I was eating 1,200 carbs. 1,200. No, before competition carb loading. Carb loading. 1,200 one day. And like that I did 2 days. 2,400. 2 to 3 sets of pec, focusing more on squeeze. And that'll be the end of the workout for chest, and then we'll be moving towards the shoulders. So we'll be doing like 12 to 15 repetitions so that I can get maximum contraction. So I don't do too much stretch behind because it comes on my rear delt and my shoulders. So I try to do little inside and not too much stretch position. I would prefer shoulder machine press. Machine head, I would never neglect it because I don't believe in the compound movements. It should be only dumbbells or barbell, later you will not grow. I don't believe in that. Weight is weight. It's all about getting the muscle work. Muscle doesn't know if it is barbell, your dumbbell, your cable or machine. It's all about you creating the intensity by doing a lot more reps, a lot more weight. Muscle को कितना आप हार्ड रहे हो उससे मतलब है and not rather like the barbell है तो आपका muscle बढ़ेगा. There's no such things. Phil Heath pretty much did his career with his machines. Dexter Jackson is a legendary bodybuilder. उन्होंने सिर्फ machine के साथ weight training किया हुआ है. So you have Olympian also or top tier athlete भी है जो सिर्फ machine के साथ किया हुआ है. And you have Arnold Schwarzenegger, you have SCB athlete, SCB legendary bodybuilders who did pretty much with dumbbells and barbells only. Time to machine, so they did with that whatever they had. So ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि barbell है तो आपका बढ़ेगा muscle. It's all about eating food and creating the intensity, doing high reps or heavy weights. It's all about that. Drop set, all of those things. The drop set, superset, ये सब चीज़ें क्या होता है? It's all about creating the intensity. If you are low on calories, you can't lift more heavy weights. तो हम क्या करते हैं? You find a way of training जो कि challenging होता है, and you do superset and drop set and all of those things, which will help you to grow. Otherwise, like me right now, I'm having more calories. I could go straight sets, heavier top set, back off sets, and all of those things. So hope it helps. But anyway, first set. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So मेरा already dressed up करके already my anterior is pretty warmed up, but still I would count this as a warm-up set. So I did 10 reps. So I'll go now 130 pounds. So I still feel that it's going to be a lighter weight. But if I feel too light, I'll just stop at 6 to 8 reps and warm up. फिर एक और weight बढ़ाऊंगा and then I'll do a first working set. So I'm not doing too much of the working set. Like 2 sets of working sets is enough for me as of now because मेरा recovery और भी slow हो रहा है. Maybe from next week onwards, I will increase the volume by 3 working sets. Recovery के लिए because मैंने जब भी chest किया था, still my chest was little kind of not recovered properly. I feel कि 10 to 20% was not recovered. So but still, I did on a higher side my repetition like 12 to 15 के बीच में. So not too heavy. So अगर कल होता, I could have rested well and it could be having a better session output के हिसाब से. But that's okay because Monday again I want to do chest. So today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I need like 72 hours to recover. So if I do it tomorrow, it will take probably more. Monday go, I wouldn't be able to train. So that's okay. But from today onwards, I will be sleeping a little bit more. And for last 2 days, I forgot to take my glutamine. That's why I'm not recovered that much. But still, as for volume comes up, I'm hoping in 3 days I will be recovering. And I'll make sure that हर दिन at least 20 grams of glutamine I'll have throughout the day so that मेरा recovery थोड़ा और faster. So it was a good chest session. Very pumped. So yeah, let's go. Maybe a warm-up set, maybe not a working set. Maybe a working set. We'll see. It's a working set. Okay. 10 reps. So we'll go 110 to around 12 guys. Okay, so the second exercise will be the cable side lateral. तो इसके अंदर you can pretty much make sure that कि आपका हाथ ज़्यादा पीछे ना जाए ना आगे जाए while doing this thing. Keep it one steady line में. Now go this, neither go this. So it should be like straight so that you hit that side dent. So it's pretty much like this. So you can do 3 sets and जैसे अगर आप सिर्फ चेस्ट के साथ में शोल्डर लगा रहे हो so you can do 12 to 15 reps which is already आपका पंप हो चुका रहता है shoulder also. If you're just doing the shoulder so you can do around 8 to 10 or 10 to 12 repetition. Don't go beyond 12 to 15 reps या 20 reps वगैरह. Try to because you need size. So you need to hit your weights और 6 या 8 repetition ना करें. Make sure that you do minimum of 8 to 10 reps and maximum of 10 to 12 repetitions. That's what works for me, not the 15-20 repetitions. So I did one warm-up set anyway, which no working set over. So let's see how that goes. Okay. What's heavy?
I love the East African safari route. Probably in 1971. They say it's the toughest route. Let me tell you something. You're damn right. You know how tough you are until being tough. And the choice you have. The last thing, to become a legend, you have to stay tough. Okay.
10 repetitions. And the people who've been writing on my page, इतना भी कर लो 3 से 4 साल लग जाएंगे चेस्ट बढ़ाने में, साइज बढ़ाने में। कुत्ता पाल लो, बिल्ली पाल लो, गलत फहमी मत पालना, बिकॉज आप लोगों को इधर वो कमेंट डिलीट करना पड़ेगा या 1 साल के बाद वापस आके वहाँ पर एडिट करके चेंज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मैं सब देखता हूँ and I'm going to come back after the win and I'm going to go and write. So rather, pretty much what we're doing, 12 repetitions. If I can do more, I'll try to do more. But I'm hoping only 12 repetitions. Third exercise will be the upright row. So we'll be doing 2 sets, working set, pretty much 12 to 15 reps, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll do a 3rd set, but as of now, 2 sets we'll do, and then bump up the weight because I feel pretty strong as of now, so we'll just add the weight more. Tricep push down. So the triceps we will be doing only one exercise. Usually I used to do rope wala, but rope में ऐसा है कि sometimes you get left right में ज़्यादा. So I want to do a single focus thing. I wanted to focus on single side, one side, so that's why I'll be doing a single arm. So if you want, you can do the reverse also, but I'll be focusing on the single one because I get better contraction. So we'll be doing this. You can't go too heavy, because other heavy job you can't do like 12 to 15 reps. So he is eating the morning breakfast, watching his video, news, and so anyway. So on stage, so it's not like the off season mein I'm reaching 92 and then staying on that. So we'll try to see how kitna size hum बढ़ा सकते हैं, and but still keeping the core like tight. So I want to keep this core, this with like visible abs. Even like मैं अगर मेरा पैर देखूँगा, I will make sure that I get to see the cuts on my legs, on my back, on my shoulders, and my abs. So these are the places जहाँ पर मैं track करूँगा. Of course, weight बढ़ेगा तो you will not get to know that. So what I'm going to do is track my physique, visualize in the mirror कि कैसा मेरा physique लग रहा है, and not get too shabby with the weight. So that's the purpose. Keep getting bigger, keep my core tight, legs का जो cut है वो दिखे मुझे, मेरे back का जो depth है वो भी मुझे दिखे, not get too fat from here and all those things. But that is the goal. So we'll try to keep that as much as possible. I know एक time के बाद वो भी हाथ से नहीं जाएगा, like because you are eating a lot of food for several months, for a prolonged period of time. जब आप करते हो, अपने आप आपका जो body weight है वो भी बढ़ेगा, fat भी बढ़ेगा. So I am hoping that at least 8 months तक I am growing, but on a clean diet. So at least last off season, like last off season, I went to like 107, but it was a little shabby. But ये साल में when I did my off season, I was around 96 kg or 98 kg, but I was still holding a good amount of size. और जिसको नहीं पता है, I got a little bit thin, a little bit sick. Because of that, I couldn't hold that much weight. So मैंने Delhi का start किया था at the body weight of 92 kg. 91 kg, and that's how I started. So 1 month I couldn't eat properly because of eye infection, teeth. My teeth got problem. I had to remove my teeth, so I couldn't eat. And Dubai में वो time पे ही there was a rain. So for 1 week I couldn't get any sort of food. So all of these things happened on that last 1 month before my prep started. So from 98 I went to 91 something. That's how I started my prep. So I was like 7 weeks of Sheru. That's how I started my prep. So that being said, that's a past life, past journey, which because of that I learned a lot of things. बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं सीखा because of that. So now the goal is to not get sick and stay on the track. Let's see, of course, getting sick is not in our control. That can happen anytime. But keeping a check that कि वो होने वाला है, कभी भी हो सकता है. Make sure that you gain weight, quality, so that you don't lose that much. So let's see if I can go up till 102 या 105 के बीच में, but very good quality gains. Then we are on a rock solid plan. And then we'll cut down slowly and see where we can come along, 90 and 92. Then you will see a massive change of our body. So it's a worthwhile watch. I'm excited, so do you. So let's bump up and do one more set and then finish the set and move forward. So that being said, आज का workout हो गया खत्म. I'll be doing 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, as you know, cycle, some elliptical. That's it for the day today. Had a crazy good workout, good shoulder, little bit of chest, a little bit of triceps, but we got a good pump. So after this, I'll be going and having my protein shake, Big Muscle ka nitric whey, 1 scoop with some glutamine. I shouldn't forget that. Bholna nahi chahiye. I need to recover as much as possible. So we'll have that around 15 grams of glutamine and 30 grams of protein. So I'll have that immediately. 1 घंटे के बाद we'll have mutton around 150 grams and then 300 gram chawal. So that will be the post-workout meal. So आज का ब्लॉग हम यहीं पे ख़त्म करेंगे. जो कुछ भी है कमेंट डाउन करके मुझे बताओ and I will make sure that कि उसका रिप्लाई दे दूँ. आज की वीडियो में नहीं किया मैंने, बट बहुत कम क्वेश्चंस आए थे मुझे. सो बट वीडियोस I'll be posting a lot more. So I think every week at least two videos for sure, because my guy, the editor guy, उन्होंने बोला कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव होना पड़ेगा. One second. So he said कि आपको ज़्यादा एक्टिव होना पड़ेगा on social media, so that आपको audience को आप videos दो, so that they will be happy as well. So I said ठीक है, minimum of 2 videos will post and at least 2 videos, हो सके तो 3 वीडियो कर पाया तो अच्छी बात है. So anyways, अगला जो वीडियो रहेगा most probably ये वीक या मे बी मंडे को आएगा. So make sure that you write down your questions. जो कुछ भी है मुझे बताओ, comment down below. I'll be happy to reply that. Not in the gym most probably, at least post workout ये टाइम पे हो सके तो वो करूँगा, नहीं तो फिर वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले घर पे I will make sure that I'll answer 2 of the questions and then we can see. And कुछ टॉपिक्स है तो मुझे बताओ. Pretty much workout is something which I like actually doing right now. मुझे पता नहीं, gym is very empty. I'm very much comfortable doing this thing. थोड़ा बात हो रहा है, that's okay, that's fine. But still, I'm very comfortable doing this thing because it's not hampering my workout. So I'm very happy with that. That being said, questions लिखो अगर कुछ content है जो कि full day of eating. So I'll be traveling also India में in couple of weeks, maybe next month. So I'll try to show my full day of that thing. मेरा जो घर था जहाँ पर मैंने मेरा schooling किया था, मेरा college वो सब चीज़ें जो था आई ट्राई टू कवर अप. बट इंडिया में बहुत बारिश है. आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन गो आउटसाइड एंड शूट दीज थिंग्स, बट हो सके तो आई ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड शो माई स्कूल, माई कॉलेज, माई एथलेटिक करियर में जो करता था, माई जिम इफ पॉसिबल. इफ आई कैन शो माई फर्स्ट जिम आई ट्राई टू शो दैट. एंड हाँ, काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने मुझे मेरे फैमिली को मिलाने के लिए बोला था. सो आई ट्राई टू डू दैट एज वेल. माई मॉम, माई डैड, all of those things. But anyway, that being said, hasta la vista, as you guys know that. Also still hungry and on a hunt. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, Wolfgang in power.